Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by selecting the exact column you want removed. Click its header letter so the whole column highlights, or press Ctrl plus space to do it from the keyboard. This ensures you're not deleting partial data. Once selected, quickly scan for merged cells or active filters that could prevent a clean delete and clear them if found. You must confirm the selection because Excel acts on the entire column. That prevents accidental removal of adjacent data and preserves worksheet structure. Now delete the column correctly so Excel updates everything. Right-click the highlighted header and choose Delete, or go to Home, Delete Sheet columns in the ribbon. Both remove the column and shift remaining columns left. Make sure you inspect formulas and named ranges because references will change. Excel will adjust relative references, but not every external link. If formulas break, use find dependents or trace precedents to fix them. This step ensures data integrity after the structural change. Finish by validating the sheet and saving changes. Save a copy before deletion whenever possible so you can restore if things go wrong. Once deleted, scan key totals and pivot tables to confirm results. If you spot broken formulas or #ref errors, press undo immediately or revert to your backup copy. If you've already saved, use trace dependents to find broken links and manually update references. One key troubleshooting tip: if filters or hidden columns interfere, unhide and clear filters before retrying the delete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.